Okay, so it's that time of the week again. It's Time Trial Tuesday. So we're in iRacing. Let's go into Time Attack and we're in the Mazda MX-5. Let's see where we are. So we're getting up to being halfway through. Yeah, this will be halfway through Lime Rock Park. Okay, one of my better circuits. So let's see. Let's see how we get on. Yeah, what's the time we need to beat? So Lime Rock Park, 59.5. Lee and John in our Discord, so they've done, well, Lee's done a 1 minute flat pretty much, and so is, well, 1.5, 1 minute 0.6. So yeah, we've got to get into the 59s, haven't we? We've got to get under a minute. That's what we're going to aim for. So let's see how we get on. Okay, here we are then. So well, we're not going to do a good first lap because we're too close to the start line. We're not going to get up to speed, I don't think. We'll see, but I would imagine because we should be sort of almost changing into fourth by the time we get to this bend, but we'll see whether we've got enough of a run up. I don't think we will have. We'll see, because the reference car should come straight past us, I would have thought, but we'll, yeah, there he goes. Look, yeah, so we're too slow, and we got cold tyres, so I'm taking it steady. First lap and everything, so we're already a fair way back, aren't we? Cold tyres, and this bit is you slow here to be fast here is what I find. Now whether he's just fast in both places, no, I think not, because we are catching. And then we've got this chicane. Is it first? I think it is first, yep. Okay, so we're second off already. We were hampered, weren't we? And we got cold tyres, so it's going to take a little while. So the key will be, can we go through there flat out? He has. We've got an off track. You can see how much quicker now we're now able to go over the start finish line. So let's see what we can do. Okay, he gets ahead a little bit there, doesn't he? Like I say, I think slow here, so you can be fast here. Not too far back. Oh, he gets away there, doesn't he? Blimey. Okay, well, that's where the time is then. And how quick can we get around here? Well, at least we didn't go off track this time. So clearly the time is in that last bit, that chicane, isn't it? So we've done okay. 0.251. But it's not a sub 1 minute, is it? We're having to stab the throttle here. Yeah, this is not good. Let's see what we can do on this chicane anyway, just to practice it. No, I can go further out to the left there, can't I? Yeah. Okay, well, let's line up for a good start to the lap. And we'll try again. Is it a slight lift and then flat out onto the straight? Maybe. Let's see. .193. Hey, trying to get on the power too soon. Off track. Yeah, we got a better run than him there. It's just this chicane, isn't it? This is where it is. This is where the lap comes or goes. Tiny bit closer this time. Okay, he keeps off the curb. More or less do that flat out. So I'm taking a different line to him, aren't I, there? Another off track. Okay, I've got to stop that. Because that last lap was pretty good. That wasn't. So we did a 1 minute flat pretty much last time round. Okay. Let's line up for the next one then. This is a track I'm pretty good on, so I think I've reached my limit already. I feel like. I'm not going to go a lot quicker than this, I don't think. I think I've gone sub 1 minute in races, but I don't know. So we'll start a bit further out this time. That didn't work either, did it? No. Okay, I'm going to reset. Get some new tyres. Do a warm-up lap. And then we'll see you at the start. Okay, we're coming around again. Let's get a decent run onto the straight. Tyres feel they're not quite ready. So this lap might not be the best. It might be the one after. Okay, we didn't get off track that time. That's better. Okay, we're close enough, I think. That's where the time goes, isn't it? I braked a bit earlier that time, thinking it might help, but it didn't really. I've lost time there. Okay, well, let's see then.
0.35.
So we're a little bit closer this time. Yeah, a bit closer. Okay, let it rev out then when I probably should have changed. But anyway. Still sort of with him, aren't we? Okay, that's a bit better. Bit better.
0.036.
Okay. Actually almost ahead now, aren't we? How does he get through there so quick? So I can't do that. So this is going to be a bit quicker again. Is this going to be sub 1 minute?
59.987.
Yeah. off track. Okay. Right, I'm going to reset. Have one more go. I'll see you when we come round for our fast lap. Okay then, here we come. It's either going to be this lap or the next lap. I think the next lap because the tyres aren't quite ready, I don't think. Haven't quite got the grip. Had a bit of an off track on the warm-up lap. But we'll see. Yeah, it doesn't feel like they've quite got what I need. But we're within sort of shouting distance, aren't we? It's just this chicane, isn't it? If I could get the chicane right. So I used a lot more of the curb that time on the left-hand side. Don't know if that really helped me or not. We lost a load of time there. Yeah, okay, this is the lap then. If it's not this one, I think we'll stop. So I think we're pretty much there.
.128.
Sort of with him, aren't we? Not quite as close as we have been. But we got a good run through the chicane. That was good. Hey. Can I keep it on the island, more or less? Yeah, that's not bad. Is that going to be closer? I think it is. A little bit. Try one more then.
59.952.
With him again. Close-ish. It's this chicane, isn't it? No, didn't work. Didn't work. Okay, well, we'll keep going then. This is going to be a banzai lap. Throw everything at it. Probably end up crashing, but no excuse with the tyres. They're nice and warm. Not too worn out.
0.087.
Just a bit of time there. Close-ish. Close. No, I had to ease too much for that corner. And I can't do that flat out. No. I think that's it. Hey, there we go. I think that's it. So, where do we end up? 10th, top 10. Okay. So, yeah. Not too disappointed with that. That's, yeah, I don't think, I think maybe I could have gone a tiny bit quicker, maybe another 10th, but I think I was pretty much on my limit. I can't get that chicane right. And struggled a little bit with that fast right-hander before you come onto the main straight. But apart from that, pretty good. I'm quite happy with that. Got into the 59s. So what's next? So that's Lime Rock Park. We've got Winton Motor Raceway next week. So that'll be interesting to see what that's like. We're halfway through. We've got until June the 9th. So where are we now? We're towards the end of April. So we've got May. So we've got 4, 5, 6 weeks. So we should do it then. We just carry on doing one a week. I would encourage you to have a go. It's good fun, this. It is good to try different tracks, put yourself up against others, see how you do, see what makes a difference, see what doesn't. So please do have a go. Put your times in the comments. Give it a go. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.